Good morning, students. Today we'll start with chapter 20 of your grammar book, subject verb agreement. Okay. You must have read finite and non-finite verbs. Okay. What happens over there? When the verb changes according to the number of noun or pronoun, and if there is a change in tense, the verbs also change, and vice versa in non-finite verbs. So we can understand by this that verb keeps on changing its form whenever there is some change in the sentence. Okay, and there are few points wherein the verb also change and how they correlate. What is the usage of verb? How you will place the correct form of verb according to the dependent upon the noun or the pronoun being placed as the subject in the sentence. Okay, so here one point wherein the verb changes its form, that is in finite non-finite verbs. Now over here there are few more points on which verbs are dependent, their forms are dependent upon the subjects in the sentences. Okay, so let us take them one by one. We have seen earlier how the verb changes according to the subject. Let us quickly revise the various rules of subject-verb agreement. See the first point. We use plural verb when the subject of the sentence has two or more nouns or pronouns connected by and. Okay, if we have two or more nouns या pronouns in a sentence and they are connected with the word and, then in that case we'll use verb in its plural form. See, for example, onions and potatoes are root vegetables. So R is in plural form. R is, am, are, was, were. These are all form of verbs. So we have a verb in plural form. Now let us take the second point. We use singular verb when two or more singular nouns or pronouns are connected by or nor. ठीक है? Whenever we have a subject, two or more subjects in a singular form, ठीक है, जब सब्जेक्ट्स हमारे पास नाउन या प्रोनाउन सिंगुलर फॉर्म में हो और वो जो कनेक्टेड हो एक दूसरे से, वो और या नॉर के साथ कनेक्टेड हो, तो इन दैट केस वील हैव वर्ब इन इट्स सिंगुलर फॉर्म. सी फॉर एग्जांपल, मिताली और विराली is baking a cake today. Okay, is baking. Are baking नहीं लिखा है, क्या लिखा है? Is baking. Why? Because out of them one, मतलब या तो मिताली या तो विराली is baking a cake. Okay. Now we use a singular verb with the words. We use singular verb with the words each one, either, neither, everyone, everybody, anybody, anyone, nobody, somebody, someone, and no one. The words which you can see over here being underlined, they singular verb is used with them. Okay, somebody is coming over here. Someone is coming over here. No one is there. Okay, these are the examples. So see over here in the book, each of these soldiers is highly trained in combat. We have each over here, so is in the singular form. Okay. Now Let us take the next one. We use a plural verb with nouns such as scissors, tweezers, trousers and shears. There are two parts of these things. Scissors ये हमेशा पैर में रहता है. Scissor कोई वर्ड नहीं बोलते कि मुझे scissor दे दे. Sometimes you say ना scissor दे दे, give me a scissor. No, you'll always say give me the pair of scissors. I want scissors. Okay, tweezers, trousers, these are all in pairs. So we use plural verb with them. For example, these shears are really big. Okay? Now, a collective noun can take either a singular or plural verb depending on the context. How? Just see. It takes singular verb when noun is considered as a single unit. टीम कलेक्टिव की बात जब हम करते हैं तब we will use singular verb. So this choir of singers is very melodious. So choir ये ग्रुप है ना, ग्रुप ऑफ कलेक्टिव नाउन है सिंगर्स के लिए, है ना. सो एक ही choir है, that is why we have used is as singular verb. Next, it takes a plural verb when components of noun are considered individually. See, for example, the board of directors are divided on implementation of the reforms. The board of directors, board of director नहीं है, board of directors है. Even it is a collective noun. आर डिवाइडेड मतलब एक बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर नहीं है, वहाँ पे सारे बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स हैं, बहुत सारे हैं. सो आर इज द प्लूरल वर्ब. नाउ लेट अस टेक द नेक्स्ट वन. वी यूज सिंगुलर वर्ब विथ वर्ब्स लाइक नीदर नॉर, आइदर और. With neither nor and either or also we use singular verb. See, for example, neither the mother nor the grandmother is as talented in music as Vinita. So again we have a singular verb. Now come to the next. When two subjects are joined by, as well as, with, along with, the verb agrees with the first subject. Okay, when two subjects, जब दो subjects in words से join होते हैं, then the verb agrees with the first subject. वो first subject को ही consider करते हुए अपना form show करता है. कैसे? The child as well as his parents was present at the annual day program. अब यहाँ पे दो ग्रुप्स हैं, दो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं. कौन कौन से? द चाइल्ड एज वेल एज हिज पेरेंट्स. ओके, बट वर्ब किस पे डिपेंडेंट रहेगा यहाँ पे? द चाइल्ड पे, विच इज इन सिंगुलर. सो वर्ब ओवर हियर इज ऑल्सो इन सिंगुलर, दैट इज वॉज. वर नहीं लिखा है, वॉज लिखा है. So, in this sentence, the child is a singular subject, hence the verb is also singular, was present. See the next one. The children as well as their parents were. देखा यहाँ पे जैसे जब फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट हमारा जैसे प्लूरल हुआ द चिल्ड्रन, तो वो यहाँ पे इसका इफेक्ट आ गया एंड was changed into were. Now, if a plural noun is a proper name, then it takes a singular verb. Again, if a plural noun is a proper name, then it takes a singular verb. For example, Little Women is a very interesting book. This is the name of the book. Little Women is the name of the book. So, it is a very interesting book. So, is singular verb. Now, the last one. With word words that indicate portions. That means percent, fraction, part, majority, some, all, none, remainder, and so on. Look at the noun in your of phrase object of the preposition to determine whether to use a singular or plural verb. If the object of the preposition is singular, use a singular verb. If the object of the preposition is plural, use a plural verb. Better to see the example. 50% students have completed the assignment. In this sentence, students is the object of the preposition of. Okay? Otherwise, we can say 50% of the students. So instead saying that 50% students. So that is why we have a have over here. Okay, that means plural verb. Now let us take the first exercise. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct word from those given in the brackets. Okay, so over here let us take the first one. A. Either the doctor in this hospital or a relative of the patient dash going to have to make a decision. So either the doctor in the hospital or a relative, दोनों ही singular है, that is why is. Okay. Next, some of the notes dash to have been forged. Seem. The floods that affect this country every monsoon dash more than just a nuisance are. Okay? This is how you have to do this exercise. Based upon the rules, you have to answer them. Now rest to be done by you. Now let us take exercise second. Write the sentences after correcting them in the given space. So we have to see whether there should be any change in the sentence or not. Okay, whether the placement of verb is according to the rules which we have read early right now on the top of the page. So see, the players as well as the coach were given refreshment. So there is no need of change because the sentence is correct. Okay, so there is no change. Next, B. Are everybody reading the same chapters in the book? So here we will not use are, we will use is everybody reading the same chapters in the book. Next, C. Which students has read George Eliot's The Mill on the Floss before? So which students have read? Has read means have read. Okay, so this is how on the basis of the rules you have to make the changes in the next coming sentences. So whenever you will do these sentences, keep on consulting the rules time to time so that you will be able to understand the rules as well. Thank you.